Super pumped to be here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. This is Honest to God, a production of The Quest, Atlanta's Catholic Radio. It's going to be a great show. Today's a weird one. It's going to be a different show than normal.
Very different. Very special. Yeah. One of the biggest Catholic events in the history of the United States, I think.
We've got a big Eucharistic procession that is coming through here that's like all over the country, right? I know it's some
4 routes.
CCB thing. Yeah.
And I know the one we are covering here is the Juan Diego route, which started down near the border of Texas.
Gloria a Dios. Gloria a Dios. 5.
Yes?
Yep. Oh, that's easy. What you gonna do, JJ?
Cece, you got it? No! Sorry.
Almost interference.
Right now, I am here because over the last weekend I've been doing a lot of work with the youth group here. They've invited me to come in and work, and we actually, just Friday night, we had a youth lock-in, and we had almost 70 teens, and we learned about Jesus' presence in the Eucharist. And so now we're here for the pilgrimage, and we get to meet a lot of other Catholics and just experience God's presence here this weekend. So that's what I'm here for.
No sé si han escuchado, no sé si han escuchado ustedes de los Quest.
Aquí porque se va a hacer una procesión del avivamiento eucarístico y lo vamos a recibir a nuestro Señor, el Rey de Reyes.
En Eucaristía, en sus vidas.
El impacto es grandioso, Él es el que nos da la fuerza para continuar y para seguir. Es el Rey de Reyes y Señores. Es lo más grande que tenemos en la iglesia.
Invitamos a todas las personas que vengan porque es un día que pues ya no se va a vivir más que ¿cuántos años?
50, yo creo. 50 años.
just blessed to be here. I don't know about you. I wanted to share that with everybody here, our listeners. It's amazing. We were talking earlier, and I said that I just feel like we're operating the kingdom of God in ways that is on a level that I can't even explain. So it's just a blessing to be here, and I don't know how you feel about that too.
Yeah, I think it's just been so moving, honestly, to see everyone's devotion. And there was just, like I said, so much excitement and joy. And I think that really is a testimony to our faith and just the graces that are being bestowed on everyone here. And then when I was out in the field, I was talking to some people, and I was sharing how so many people come into the church just by, word of mouth and like hearing somebody else's conversion story. So every little moment of grace that's happening outside today can be shared with like 10 other people, maybe more, hopefully more. They can come on the podcast and share it with hundreds.
There was various things that happened in my life where God is real, where I was like, I need to turn to God. I give this analogy sometimes is that the church is a hospital, So I need to come to Mass, I need to come to the Eucharist.
Understanding, there's more to this life than what meets the eye. And I think what helped me kind of see it in the Catholic sense through the Eucharist, because that's the most important thing as a Catholic, is knowing that Jesus is still alive, not in just, up in heaven, but he is alive in the Eucharist. He still performs miracles to this day. And that's what the Eucharist is, and that's kind of when I realized, it's like I believe on all these miracles now about the Bible. I believe that Moses parted the Red Sea, that Noah was in the ark, and Jesus, healed the blind, the sick, and all this stuff like that. But it's like, is it so hard for me to believe that Jesus can still do miracles now?